Hi everybody, welcome to Vamos Dance. I'm Özgür.
Hi, I'm İlksun.
In this lesson, we would like to talk about tango embrace. Okay, it is one of the hardest issue in tango because if you haven't danced before, it is kind of difficult to find the right and comfortable way to hugging each other. So here we're gonna explain you two different ways of embrace. One is close embrace and the other one is the open embrace. Open embrace, it is recommendable for the beginners basically, and then after with some experiences you can get closer to each other. Because in the first place, to be able to hug each other, to have a good embrace, individually you need to have a good balance and your axis point, it is not depending on your partner. Open embrace. The right hand of the man is going here, right on the shoulder blade of the woman, okay? Kind of on the bra line. I am touching her back with my palm here. Then there is a certain space between our feet. We can stand in front of each other exactly, but ideally one of my foot is between her foot, okay? That's it. With some distance, and the palm is touching the shoulder blade. And here the woman is exactly doing the same movement, letting her arm basically place on the arm of the man. Here, comfortable. Nobody is lifting no one or pulling down no one, okay? Here is relax. Then on the other side, left arm of the man is lifted by his own the back muscles, okay? And the level of the hand is not higher than the shortest person of the embrace. Here we have almost the same height, so we can keep in the middle of each other, keeping under the shoulder level of any of us, okay? And the palm is open, and the woman is placing her palm exactly on my hands. Then the fingers are closing. Here, elbows doesn't get any tension, like the bending. It's just the weight of the arm is dropped, okay? So the shoulders are not lifted or the hands is not getting close to the middle of the embrace, nor closer to the side of any of us. So we are trying to keep it exactly in the middle. Here there's a space. On the foot there is enough space. So shoulders are relaxed. The neck is relaxed. So I can turn to the left, I can turn to the right. The same technique for the woman. This is a open embrace of tango. So no tension at all, okay? Then you can just switch your weight and then start walking with your leg. Close embrace. What is the difference of the close embrace? First, get the open embrace with the same distance. Slightly we are leaning on each other, but without putting any weight. So here, open embrace, sliding the arm, then we get to the close embrace. Here the chests are touched each other. Down here you can have a little contact as well. Hip area is still free. The feet position is the same like the open embrace. The left hand exactly the same. So only the differences is this. I am sliding my right arm to go open embrace, sliding in to get close embrace. Let's see it on this direction as well. So this is an open embrace. I'm just sliding my arm, then we are touching each other with the chest. So the position, slide out to open the embrace, slide in to close the embrace. So it's the action of the arm, okay? This is the hand position. I slide the arm. My partner feels that I want to get closer to her. So she's slightly coming forward. I'm also going forward slightly, but not really leaning each other with the weight, okay? It's just this is a straight position, arm slides, very tiny bit, getting closer with the chest. Now see from this perspective as well. This is an open embrace and this is a close embrace. Open embrace, close embrace. Tango embrace is asymmetric. So when we get closer, we are getting closer on the right side than the left side. The arm position makes it the left side slightly be open, okay? And still my neck with the close embrace can move my head. I can turn to the right and the left. So after a certain connection with the embrace with the music, and if you feel comfortable with your partner, it is okay to have a head contact, but this is not a contact that we are depend on. So I can take my head, I can relax it. The woman can shape it any place, the cheek. I mean, if you wish to, we don't recommend you to do that because if the head is not free, the man cannot see the right side of the embrace. So, you have to see where you are going. Sometimes other dancer can get closer to you or you can have a little accident. So ideally, man has a lot of freedom and it's also the health of the posture and the neck muscles, shoulders, and the back muscles everywhere on your body. If you want healthy body, you shouldn't get any position locked. Okay? So this is all about the tango embrace. Close, open, doesn't matter. You just feel good about yourself and try to not to push each other. Do not lift each other. Do not pull each other down. Just use the arm to hug each other, either closer or have the contact little bit open. Okay? Thank you very much for watching us. So have a good class. Enjoy what you are practicing. So we wish you the best. Thank you and bye-bye.